cut some hay this year, and I got to change the blades. And one thing that's unique on this mower is the quick change blade system. So normally you'd go down through here with the grinder and sharpen the blades, where you'd take an impact and loosen them and flip the blades over. But on this mower they got this little tool you can stick on here and push down on the pod bolt, and you can pull the blade out and flip it over for these mower blade pods, and it's way faster than the impact wrench, and I'll show you guys how it works. So usually this tool's mounted over here, and you just take it, and with this end first right here, you're going to take it and stick it in right there like that, push down, grab your blade, flip it over. So as you can see, that was pretty quick. When you put this in, make sure you get this end all the way up against the pod, because if that slips out, it won't be good for you. But overall, pretty simple, pretty easy, and we're going to continue on with getting this thing ready. So now we're going to take some 90 weight gear oil, and I'm changing the oil. It's supposed to do it at the first 50 hours after use. So drain the oil out of this bottom plug. You take the vent plug out the top. You fill in here until it runs out this hole. So that's what I'm doing right now. You do this to the first input drive motor, and then you do it to the main gear down there. So I'll do it next. So I just got this hand pump here and a quart of 90 weight gear oil. Just gonna keep pumping it until it runs out, and you have to do this when the machine's in the horizontal position too. So now I've put enough in there that it's running out. I'm gonna take this pipe plug, put some anti-seize on it, and thread it back in there and torque it down to the spec in the book. Okay, so those are in. When I get the other ones done, I'll come back and torque these down. So now we got the main gear drive here, and it's pretty much the same method. We pulled these out, and then they got the cutter bar oil down there. You can see that drain plug right there, and in the book it says it's not necessary to change it, but we're going to level the cutter bar, and we're going to check the oil in it, make sure it runs out that hole, and fill this main gearbox up with oil, and we should be pretty much good to go. This one's full. Reinstall the sight glass. So I leveled the cutter bar in both directions, and then I removed this plug here on the back side just enough to where I could see. I backed it out, a tiny bit of oil ran out, and I quickly put it back in. So according to the manual, you don't have to change the oil in here. If it just gets a little low, you have to top it up right here, but that's where you check it, and it was full. So we got all the blades flipped around, got the 2 gear units done, all the grease certs done, and it should be ready to go cut some hay now. Hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, make sure you hit that like button. And if you're not already a subscriber, make sure you subscribe. And we'll see you guys next time.